Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect or set up Google Authenticator on crypto.com. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner and then you just have to scroll down and then tap on settings. Now in the settings, you are going to see account, security, notification and various other tabs. So in order to link your Google Authenticator with crypto.com, you need to tap on security, and here in the security, you will be able to see the two-factor authentication option. So you need to tap on it and then you will be landed on this enable 2FA option where it will show you this prompt that says if you lost or reset your phone, you can restore 2FA using the secret seed provided during the initial 2FA setup process. So you need to turn the toggle button on right next to it. Then it will ask you to enter the passcode. So here in this section, you just have to enter the passcode. Once done, it will show you the QR code as well as the seed which you need to copy from here. Then you need to open your Google Authenticator application. Then tap on the add key option in the bottom. After that, you just have to provide this key in your Google Authenticator application. Then it will generate a 6-digit verification code for you. So you need to tap on proceed to verify, and in this section you need to enter that 6-digit code that is generated in your Google Authenticator app. After entering it, you need to press continue and then you will be able to easily set up Google Authenticator on crypto.com. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.